Born in the lowlands, half a mile away the river twists and turns. To live and die there we believed was God's plan, and the days slipped away like grains of sand. Building bridges, companions I grew up with in my hometown. We all had dreams to wed and settle down, and the choices that we made back then were easy. Sunday morning, after church I'd go walking with my friends. We thought those days of youth would never end, times of innocence we'll never see again. Then the war came. We marched away to battle in our country's name, and the young hearts we once wore upon our sleeves were filled with pride for what we believed. I left the lowlands, I walked away from everything that I had planned. No more secrets or sins I need to tell. I lost my faith on the road to hell. Burning bridges, the river still sparkles in the sun. The cornfields in July before the summer's gone, and the ones who love and care about the land. In the darkness, I see faces of comrades proud and strong, the eyes of friends who'll stay forever young. Gods of war have had their victory,